Hi, I'm Shannon and welcome to today's video. So today's video I'm really excited to do. It was one of the videos I was trying to record before we left to the Disney Wish trip, and I just wasn't able to do it, but I'm actually glad I didn't, because one of those things is I always feel like everything happens for a reason, and I'm able to give more of a fully review. Originally it was just going to be an unboxing, and now I'm actually able to give a review. So that is what we're going to do today. So what I'm talking about today is Teddy Blake. So Teddy Blake, I had seen ads, I believe on Instagram, and they kind of popped up here and there, and I'd seen it. I was familiar with the brand. I had looked their site before. And then they reached out to me and was interested in if I was interested in receiving a bag and to give a review. And I really wasn't sure if I wanted to. I'm not much of a handbag person. I kind of have one purse right now. My purse right now is my Disney Loungefly backpack that I carry around with me everywhere. I'm not the type of person to kind of change bags. However, I knew we were going on the Disney Wish, and I knew we were going to, on our vacation, and I needed a laptop bag, and I needed something. I have a laptop bag. I just purchased a new MacBook that's specifically for the trip so I could do some editing, and I didn't have a nice laptop bag, and I wanted something that was versatile, that could carry my laptop but was also stylish. So I said, do you have anything that could fit a MacBook? So I kind of went back and forth, looked around on their site, and we came up with several options, and the one I chose is the Kate Croco 15-inch, and I'm gonna say it was perfect. Okay, so here is the Kate Croco 15-inch, and it is absolutely stunning. Some of the things that I love about it is it doesn't have a snap closer or a zipper, and that's for me really good because I never use it. But it closes on the side, so you can kind of make it bigger if you need to, but then you can make it smaller, and that kind of gives it closed, and it keeps it closed for the most part. When you needed more room, you can kind of unhook one side, and it's going to give you more room inside. I still have stuff in here because I did use this on our trip. And inside you will see that it's this red suede, and then you have two pockets on either side that you can put things in. So I'm going to show you a quick unboxing that I did. Now this was when I first received it. It comes beautiful in a beautiful white box and securely wrapped, and it was just absolutely stunning. And you can see here that with the inside before I used it, it's absolutely beautiful. So one of the things that I mentioned that I wanted is I wanted a bag that I could put my laptop in, and then some of my camera equipment, as well as any extra batteries. So this was going to be the bag, the purse that was going to have everything that I could carry, like for my GoPro, anything that I needed. My extra charger and my charger for my MacBook was going to go in here. But again, I wanted it something that was stylish, and it was perfect. And I actually took out the laptop, and then I took this around a lot. I love the color. Again, this is the 15-inch. This comes in so many different colors. Now this is the Croco. This was the one I liked, but it also comes in two other finishes. I think it's like a Vitello and Stampetto or Stampata, something like that. But I liked the Croco, and I also liked this red. Red is my favorite color, but I also liked a deeper red. I wanted something that was a little bit deeper, and this went with so many things. Obviously, this was what I carried on with me when I boarded the ship. I was wearing that red top, red jacket, and white shorts, so it went perfectly. And then I remember taking this to dinner at 1923, and you can actually see in my vlog. If you look at my vlog, you will see this. It is sitting there because I was able to put like my camera, any extra batteries in here, and it still looks stylish. And it was something where I could carry it. It carried a lot of stuff, but it still looked stylish, and it was perfect. So I absolutely love this bag, like just absolutely love it. Now, one of the things I did want to show is how it carries my laptop. So here is my laptop in its sleeve. Now this sleeve is just like a protective sleeve that I got on Amazon. I'll post a link below, but it does have a little bit of room where it's like a general, you know, type of sleeve. So it fits in, it still fits in here, but it actually fits better when I don't have this sleeve. So I'm going to show you both. So go ahead, and this is the, this is it with the protective sleeve, and I'll put it in, and let's see, I still have the battery charger in here, and voila. So what I did, you can see here, now you can't see the computer. Now it won't close on the sides. It's a little too, I probably could close it on one side if I wanted to, but I'm not sure if I could get it to close on both sides. Let's see. No, it's not going to close on both sides, but that's because it has the protective sleeve. However, it's still pretty secure, and this is how I carried it. Now I carried it with both sides loose because I had a lot more stuff in it. When I boarded, this is where we had our passports, our vaccine cards, all of that was in this bag. So that is with the protective sleeve. Okay, so now without the protective sleeve, here is my MacBook. Now this is the MacBook Pro 14-inch. This is the new one. So this is the 14-inch, the newer one that just came out with, I guess it's the M2 chip. I don't know. I don't remember. But anyway, this is going into the bag, and it does fit better because it doesn't have the protective sleeve, and it goes right in. And yes, I can close it without the protective sleeve with the MacBook. So I would, you know, because I'm traveling with this, you know, when I'm traveling like to the cruise or anything, I want the protective sleeve. However, if I was just going somewhere really quick, you definitely don't need it, and you can close on either side. Also, what I have in here, not just the computer, but I also have the charger. So the charger, that same protective sleeve, it comes with two. It comes with one for the charger. So the charger's in here as well. So you can, you know, fill in quite a bit, because if you look on the side, it has like it's wider at the bottom, and then it gives some more, you know, it kind of gets tighter at the top. So you have a lot of space on the sides. And then you also have those two pockets on either side that have these zippers that have the little pockets. So that's where I put like my, you know, my extra batteries for my cameras. Anything that was kind of smaller went in those side pockets, and then anything larger kind of went into this purse. But as you can see, it fits a lot of stuff, but it's really, you know, very comfortable. So Teddy Blake has a lot of different styles, and what I'm hearing is some of them, kind of just doing some research when I was looking whether or not I wanted to receive a bag, and then also which one I wanted. I guess there's some that are considered kind of, I wouldn't say knockoffs, but very similar or dupes for the Birkin. I can't remember which one it is. To be honest, I wouldn't even be able to recognize it, but there's that. But there's a lot of different styles. Personally, I just pick what I like. You know, if it fits my personality, if it fits what my needs are, that's what I'm going to pick. I really like these bags. Now, it is 100% Italian leather, made in Italy, and they are, you can tell that they are handcrafted. These are well, I only have one, but this bag is absolutely beautiful. It held up. I mean, I used it a lot on our trip, and it held up, and it looks brand new. A little bit about the brand. So I asked the rep to give me some pointers and some tips and a little bit about Teddy Blake. And one of the things they said is, with a team of Italian designers pitched from well-known luxury brands, Teddy Blake creates handbag designs for every style choice. If you don't see your Teddy Blake yet, subscribe. We release new collections every month. Our designers work very hard to develop new, unique designs while also trying to keep the price point affordable levels, which that's what I can see. Now you're gonna see, these aren't, you know, cheap bags. You're not gonna find something that's like $50, $100. These are really quality, you know, handcrafted, but what you're not getting is the marketing, where now with the Teddy Blake, you're just getting the good quality and maybe not the name brand. Personally, I'll take saving up a couple $1,000s, but still have the quality over a name brand any day. Another point is that it's made with premium Italian leather, and it says that enjoy the luxury feel and smell of real leather, which it does. It smells like well, it's real leather, but it has that real leather smell, which is I love. And then as all Teddy Blake bags are made with luxurious leather from Italy. So you're definitely getting that quality and that Italian leather. Experienced craftsmen working in the same Italian factories as other luxurious brands and following the knowledge gathered from decades of experience in the luxury leather. Our laborers will turn a Teddy Blake bag into a work of art. Again, it's just, you're getting the quality that you're going to get in these other luxury bags, but you're getting it at a, I guess, more affordable price point. Still not, I won't say cheap, but still an affordable price point, but you're getting that luxury and that quality. So going back to my bag, I absolutely love it. It is absolutely stunning. You have the Teddy Blake, I forgot to mention this. The bottom, it says Teddy Blake at the bottom. This comes in so many different styles. They have a lot of different styles. I'm actually looking on the site now for something more, just not something for my laptop, not something that I need to carry my laptop in, something that maybe is a little bit dressy, maybe a black bag, maybe a more neutral bag. Again, I'm not one that's going to switch bags every day. That's just not my personality. However, I do like luxury, I do like quality, and I like things that are going to be classic and things that are going to last a long time, and things that if I'm gonna spend a couple $100s on a bag, I want it something that's going to last me, you know, for years to come. And I feel like this bag is definitely going to be lasting me. I absolutely love it. And even if I didn't use it for my laptop, I would absolutely use this every day. So, but if you are looking at a Teddy Blake bag and you are looking for something for a laptop, know that the Kate 15-inch will fit a MacBook Pro that is 14, or a MacBook. Yeah, I guess I think it's a MacBook. I forgot what I have, but a MacBook 14-inch. And that, you know, because that was one of the things I struggled. I could not find anybody that had done a review. So that was also one of the reasons why I wanted to do this, because I wanted to show you that this fits a MacBook. It's in here. So if you are looking for a nice luxury leather bag for your MacBook or any laptop, definitely look into Teddy Blake, and the Kate 15-inch will probably work for you. Maybe some others, not really sure, but this was the one that I felt like was definitely my personality and would fit my laptop. So with that, if you like this video, click like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Bye everyone.